Here, good morning friends, making this video, and I wasn't gonna do a tutorial on it because I want to start from the beginning, but this is too cool. I just noticed or found out how to do this, so watch. If you're here, right, I imported these clips. I get a bunch of clips here, see? I imported these clips, and I don't know how I didn't get them right, but I didn't get them right. So here's how you fix that, or just mess with it. Here, you do that, you click on a picture up here, and then let's see, can we do it? No, you have to click on this, and then once you click on it, highlight it like it is here, okay? Then you can come into the main screen here and manipulate it any way you want, or at least that way. So then I can zoom out and get the whole shot, or get whatever element of the shot that you want. It's pretty cool. All right, and that's how you learn, by messing around with things. So I just want to show you that. And I might as well just keep showing you the whole video. Thank you for the positive feedback on the last one. All right, let's keep going and see what we got. Oops, that's another one screwed up. So I gotta do a better job shooting this so I don't have to keep doing this. So, but that's how you learn. So that's highlighted. Let's go up here, manipulate this, zoom out a little bit, because that's how it looked when I filmed it on the phone. So I don't know, doesn't matter. We learned something cool today, but that depends on how it's going to come out looking on the video. So let's go back. I just saw that too. It's not the whole frame now. It's only going to be part of the frame. But that's okay because it's going fast. Anyway, so the thing is, do you want these long clips in here? That's another one that's screwed up. So let's fix that. Okay, that's a little better. Alright, the idea is that one I already fixed or manipulated. That one I already did also. Oh, let's mess around with that. That might be okay, but let's just mess around with that anyway. Let's zoom out a little bit. There you go. Okay. Better? I don't know. You tell me, is that better? Alright, click off on that. I just wanted this in the front of the morning video, so you can see what I'm doing here. So look at that moon. It's awesome, right? And that's just on my phone. So I think the rest of it is going to be okay. Now here's the thing. Put all these clips in as regular pictures and go fast, or overlay them. Let me show you what I mean. Alright, so this is a 5-second thing I did. 5-second video. Call it B-roll. Okay. Alright, so I can shorten these up. This is like an eternity. So let's shorten these up. Well, let's try to overlay first. Let me show you that. Play with this thing. Overlay. Okay, now where are we at exactly in the video? Okay. That's that. Well, I guess we can't overlay it. I don't know. I'm gonna have to mess around and play with it. So this time I just imported the clips instead of just doing an overlay on top of what I already had and go really fast. But we'll see. And I think I want to shorten these clips. Okay, let's shorten this up. So you highlight that, you go back, and you shorten that up. Go down to 3 seconds. All right, that was fast. Let's see how that goes. Oh, too fast. Let's go back. Too fast. Okay, so let's extend this a little more. Alright, that's not bad, but this is too long. Let's shorten this up. Okay. Oops, 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 oops. If you hold it, it'll go the other way. Now I'm trying to shorten it, and it's, all right, 6 minutes, 6 seconds. How many? Nope, down to 1 second. You see the 1 second there? 2 seconds. 2 seconds doesn't sound like much, but watch how it goes. Okay, 2 seconds seems like it's an eternity, so you should make them all the same. So that's what I'm going to go do. I'm going to shorten down to 2 seconds. Okay, that one's down to 2 seconds. Let me show you this one again. Okay, so highlight it, move it across. This is your whole clip or frame. See the 5 seconds there? And I should be doing some kind of effect around that. So we'll go back and we'll circle that or something at 5 seconds so you guys can see that good. Okay, so 2 seconds, make them all consistent. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. All right, 2 seconds looks good. I'll do the rest and I'll get back to you. Was the screen recorder doing that? Should we have that hanging off the edge there, or should we put it up? Oh, let's cut that off. I think I like that. Okay, let's leave that. Let's go and overlay something else. This is at the end. Let's put an overlay in here. Overlay. All right, what else? Imported. All right, so let's try this one. Okay. Let's make that smaller. Let's move that over. Okay, so let's go back. I guess that's too small. Let's make that bigger. Make that bigger. And I should have had the phone a different way. But whatever. That's how you learn. All right, let's try that. Okay, so this is the end of the video. All right, so what about all this other stuff? What about putting stickers and everything in there? Let's find out. Let's see how that's gonna look. Put some stickers up in here. Here's how we do that. I think, hang on. Let me see where we go. Effects, filters, adjust, animation, effects, filters, no. Stickers. Okay, so let's do quick and easy. I like all these different ones on here, but let's do quick and easy. Let's get that out of everybody's way. So let's stick this over here or down here. Cover up the juice. Cover up that. Leave it like that or turn it. I don't know, I kind of like the turny thing. Let's see how that looks. Okay, that didn't work very well. Okay, that's not showing up. So let's make that bigger or move it. Let's move this. Hey, screwing this whole thing up. All right, so I don't know what to do with that. Make that bigger somehow. It's not working. All right, let's try it again. Oops. I don't know, I gotta figure this out. Hang on. Sometimes the application is glitchy. It is just on my phone, and it's just a basic app, I guess. I don't know. So I figured out how to make that a little bigger. Let's see if we like that. I don't like that. So let's move this. Let's move that like this. Let's turn that like that. You can get rid of that pink thing around there by just touching that, I think. Okay, correct. Now watch. This is at the end. This is what I'm looking at. Now I think I'm talking there, so we got to listen to this too. All right, let's turn it down. Stand by for those videos. All right, like and subscribe. Hit that bell, notification bell. Is that what they say? It's too funny. All right, you guys, love you all. We'll see you next time. All right, I think I like that. I think we're good to go. Let's put some transitions in here. Here's how we do that. Okay, you go to the things here. These are transitions. I like to make them not as abrupt. So that's what you do. In this particular program, this is YouTube Create. You have to go individually each one. There's another cheap other little program. And that little program allows you to do them all at the same time. But it's just got basic functions. It doesn't let you overlay and other stuff like that. It's just Studio, I think it's called. So sometimes I'll use that to do this if I have a lot of pictures. Like the video I'm going to make of me walking back from church the other day. I've got like 10,000 videos, so I'm not going to do all this. 10,000 pictures, so I'm not going to do all this for each one of those things. I'm going to put it in that cheap little program first, which I guess it's not a cheap little program if it's helping me do things, right? Okay, so in the kitchen, so stand by for those videos. Okay, that's that. Transitions there. Transitions there. So you be creative, man. It's your thing. There's no, well, I guess there is a right or wrong, but it's up to you. It's what people like. They like real things. I like real things. I like watching folks that make mistakes and it's not all polished and you haven't had all kinds of AI programs do it for you in 2 seconds. This is how you learn. Now, I do want to get one of those programs to make shorts. To make shorts, but it's a subscription thing. I'm not making any money at this stuff yet. So, the more you guys watch, the more it helps. So, I really appreciate it. Yeah, there's a program that will analyze your video in 2 seconds or less and make 3 or 4 or 5 little shorts pointing back to your main video. So I'll do that once I make a little money here. Or maybe I'll just invest in that. I don't know. We'll see. One thing at a time. All right. We'll see you guys next time. Actually, we won't. I'm doing a video on how to do this, right? So let's save this. Here's how you do that. Hit that button here. Import it. See all this? This is the data for the thing. It's going to update. You've seen this in my other ones, so I won't make you sit through the whole thing. All right, so that's done processing. Let's upload it. Hit upload. Okay, now you can put your title. You can do all this stuff right now, or you can just upload it and then do it on your computer. I like doing it on my computer because it goes faster. Plus, I use ChatGPT to come up with the latest algorithmic, they say, whatever, algorithms for YouTube. So it says it in certain ways or whatever. So it's easier for me to do that on the computer than the phone, but I can show you on the phone too. If you guys want to see that, you put it in the comments. So I can show you how to use the ChatGPT or whatever it's called on your phone and do this all at the same time. I kind of like to upload it first and then go back and do that. It's just faster. So let me know if you want me to see it on the phone. All right, let's upload this. Let me see this little thing down here. That is going to upload. And then you can go in and manipulate it. Put in titles, put in tags, put in hashtags. Schedule it to be released or just release it within half an hour or an hour or so. But whatever, it's up to you. All right, we will see you guys next time. Thanks for coming along. Appreciate it. Hope this is helpful. It's interesting to me because I learned different things. I like to show you guys different stuff. So we'll see you next time. Have a great day.